Vanessa is a passenger boat that is licensed to operate on Lake Victoria, and we do several routes alongside Lake Victoria. We do Entebbe Jinja, Entebbe Bukasa, Entebbe Kalangala, and other islands which we normally get private charter, and then we go to various islands on Lake Victoria. So it's a good boat. It is designed that you can even go to shallow waters. It's not that, you can go to water of minimum depths of 1.5 meters. So that means anywhere, at least you can land on any island of Lake Victoria. So in case we go, Lake Victoria is quite rocky. There are some islands where we go and there is a lot of rocks. So that one is you are required to bring another small boat, maybe for passenger transfer from this boat to another. So basically that's what we do. Those are the two things. Private charter, but then we have our normal route. That is Kalangala, Entebbe Kalangala. We normally come on Fridays we leave Waterfront Beach in Entebbe at 4 p.m. and then it is 1 hour and 15 minutes from Waterfront Beach to Kalangala. Yeah.
So basically, how many passengers in what range normally, and what are the big days that
we moved?
Yeah.
Okay. Passengers, the capacity of the passengers is like 54. We take 52 passengers, but actually in festive seasons, like during Easter, because it was launched before Easter holidays. During Easter holidays, we had so many people moving, but there in between, we were bringing like a few 50, 49, but the normal people we bring per trip don't exceed the 45. That is the estimated number of people we normally bring on every trip coming from Entebbe. But going back from Kalangala to Entebbe, we normally leave some people because now we get more people from Kalangala going to Kampala. Yes.
So what are some of the challenges that you've encountered during the time that you've been doing this? Or if there are any
challenges, they are there in marine. There are a lot of challenges, but it depends on the trainings. So the challenges are not much because whatever we have made, at least we have gone through, which is not too much. We haven't made a very big challenge that maybe we have stopped to operate, maybe we anchored the boat. The boat has tried to manage the whole environmental challenges on Lake Victoria since we started operating. We have never operated, we will never stop operating because maybe there is environmental, wind, bad weather, rain, we have operated. Whenever our days of operation are, we have operated.
So talk about the bad weather. How does it look like when it's in the bad weather? Does the water have too many
swells? Yeah, bad weather, like in marine, even big ships, when you are moving in bad weather, you get those swells, and when you are going against, there is that bank of going, and when they are coming your side, there's that shaking. So some people really feel unstable, but the boat is well balanced. So, and we have these navigation gadgets. These ones is jamming. We call it 3-in-1. This one here, we measure the depths of water you are navigating to, and this one tells you can put the course of your navigation. You leave your tracks, maybe in case something fall in water here, which can be retrieved. Maybe somebody has fallen in the water. We have provision man overboard. You press one man overboard for the location of the place. So in any search and rescue, you can come. Maybe if you fail to retrieve the person, maybe you are looking for the dead body, you can know the exact location where. So we have this radio for communication. It also used as distress signal. in case you have anything. But then for us here, like in Uganda, we don't have those emergency response and centers for marine, but it is designed for those things. Yes.
So basically, doing Kalangala, Entebbe, and Endera, apart from Jinja, have you also been to Jinja?
Yeah, we have been to Jinja. Yeah.
So basically, what is your experience, the fact that you've been riding this for some good time?
The experience, Kale, the experience maybe just knowing Lake Victoria. Yeah, that's knowing actually we have moved almost most of the islands of Central, from Jinja coming this side to Kalangala. We have moved, and it's good experience that have moved, and then we've gone to the open water as we are going to the borders of TZ and Kenya. So it's experience really, yeah.
So lastly, what is your word to the people who come to Embe Vanessa and perhaps who use Lake Victoria as their ways of
connecting?
Yeah.
Okay, Lake Victoria, in fact, it's marine transport that can be used because we have so many islands. And it's basically what type of marine transport are you using? The safety. First of all, any marine personnel must know what is safety. And the first priority safety for marine personnel is what we call the other one is, we call it personal flotational device. PFD. PFD, yeah, personal flotation device.
Okay.
It doesn't mean necessarily life jacket. You can have any other thing that can make you float. So, okay, for Vanessa, I think it qualifies even more than the minimum standard the marine is required in Uganda, because we have everything to keep, unless marine transport, what I've come to understand is if you follow the rules, it's the safest mode of transport in the world. But if you don't follow the rules, if you follow the safety procedures of marine, you have at least 99 chances of survival.
What?
Because 99 chances of survival.
Wow.
Because the boat cannot burn on water just like that in 2 minutes and then it get finished. No, it will take process. So for this one, we have everything. We have fire extinguishers, we have fire hydrant, it's equipped. And if it fails that it is burning, we have life jackets. Everybody is more than enough for everybody on board. And then if the life jacket, also we have the other thing you see on top, is called the life raft. So that one, when you launch it in water, it explodes. It makes something like a house, a house like a boat, which I can accommodate everybody who is inside here.
Wow.
Then you are in there until you wait for rescue. So
that is very interesting.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Yes. Yeah.
So abalabi baffe Master TV munange Captain Obulidde agezezaako okubanga atunyonnyola engeri lyattu gye likolamu, engeri lyattu gye litambulamu n'experience gyalina, n'atugamba nti 99% kiba kizibu nnyo okubanga ofuna akabenje, naye bwoba ofunye akabenje balina maximum requirements zonna okulaba nga buli omu ali ku lyato kuno ataasibwa. Katugende ku Virgin Island tulabe nga bwefaanana tuva ku